Morning, welcome back to the channel. We're at Milkhope Pond in Northumberland today. We're doing a bit of coarse fishing. So we're supposed to be meeting a friend about 12 o'clock to come join us. So I thought it'd be a perfect day to get some coarse fishing done, try to catch some early carp with it being late February. So I've just got the wraggler rod and the method feeder. So the method feeder, I've got pellets and some wafters, different coloured wafters. Then the wraggler rod, I've got some old defrosted red maggots, which I don't think are going to do the trick, but I've got some sweet corn there that hopefully might, but we'll see what happens. So I've just literally got the rods in the water. I don't know if I said I'm at Milkhope Pond, which is part of the Wansbeck and Cramlington Angling Club. First time here. Lovely scenery so far. So I'll get a little view for you so you can have a look. But I don't know much about coarse fishing, still learning. The method feeder I've just got over next to a bank, so I'm not really sure how deep that is. We have had some warm weather this week, so I'm hoping the water's just warmed up a bit. I've seen a couple of fish rising, but just mainly silvers. But I'm here for about 5 hours, so hopefully we can catch something. But I'll come back to you in a moment.
Your pretty eyes make me smile, and your little fits make me stay with you. Eyelashes moving softly, little arms make me love you. Ooh, babe, I love you so much, so much. Ooh, babe, I wanna stay with you. Your pretty eyes make me smile, and your little fits make me stay with you.
Well, I've been here for about an hour, and I've had no knocks really. Just had one on the wraggler. I've put a bit of sweet corn on that, but that could have just been a fish brushing by it. Then I've had a little knock, not really a little knock, but a little bit of movement on the method feeder. But yet again, that could have just been a fish brushing me line. But it's dead peaceful around here. Seen a couple of baby deers just on the hillside, just jumping along. I do wish I bought some live maggots though. Right, well guys, been here for 3 hours, still nothing. Not looking hopeful, but it's a lovely day. Jason's arrived, he's set up, he's got his feeder in the water. So I've been trying different colour wafters, halibut, some green, white, pink, orange, red. Nothing seems to be working, but it's still early days for the coarse and carp. But I've mixed some ground bait in with my pellets. And Jason had some like this stuff called smoke. It's like a liquid, so I've just put a little cocktail together, just hoping for the best. But the water's just lovely. See the reflections of the hills, of the trees. Ah, it's nice. Well, it's not a blank little perch on the dead maggots. I'll get them back. I didn't even notice. I just got up and I seen it. Oh, what's that doing? I'm like, oh shit. Right, so probably got about an hour's fishing left. Still only on that one perch, which didn't even realise that I had until I looked down and I see me wraggler underneath bopping. So that was nice to see. So yeah, just got probably about 4 or 5 more casts left, then call it a day. Well guys, that's a wrap. Just the one fish today on the wraggler, nothing on the method. It's still early days in the season, so back end of February we're at now. So weather's starting to get a bit warmer, so hopefully the next few weeks we'll see some fish rising and some activity. So sorry I couldn't bring any more fish, but it is what it is. So I think me and Jason are going to go to the pub now. There he is walking in the background. So till next time, I don't know when the next video is going to be because I'm going to be chucked out of work, so probably be about a month's time or so. So there we go. So take care, bye.